cartoon cat wanders around the city. House was noticed a black figure of a large cat. No one doubts that this is a cartoon cat. The author of the Paranormal World channel filmed how a cartoon cat attacked him on a dark evening in the city. The guy was filming the night park with his drone, but the shooting was interrupted by the attack of a cartoon cat. Calls a cartoon cat in an abandoned building, and a mini cartoon cat runs out